This class is a good overview of engineering drawings. It combines elements of the blueprint reading training and the basic GD&T training, but in a nice, neat one-day format, or 2 half-day sessions for the online version as we're doing this week. You're here because you need a refresher or because you only need to know the basics, so in this course we cover the basics. By the end of the training, you will be able to recognize the deficiencies of drawings that are made without reference to the GD&T standard. It is a common misconception to say that a drawing is made with GD&T or without GD&T. There is but a single dimensioning and tolerancing standard, and it describes the proper interpretation of all types of dimensions and tolerances. So you will learn how the geometric tolerances supplement the conventional tolerances that you're probably already familiar with. And together they impose limitations on the allowable variation of our manufactured parts. You will calculate minimum and maximum values of dimensions. You will recognize the symbols that are used in the geometric dimensioning and tolerancing system, including basic dimensions, and properly interpret their meaning. Geometric tolerances themselves are captured in these scary-looking feature control frames, but by the end of training, you will be comfortable properly reading feature control frames. You will recognize when bonus tolerance applies and how to account for bonus tolerance. Bonus tolerance allows us to inspect a part to a larger tolerance value than the number written on the print, something we'd want to interpret properly. You will also recognize datum feature identifiers and construct a datum reference frame for the part. And finally, you will identify and properly read geometric controls on form, orientation, location, profile, and runout.